Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala special sambar curry recipe. This recipe is very delicious and nutritious. You will really love the flavor of the recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3/4 cup of Toor Dal. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 6 cups of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on high flame for first whistle. Then 3 whistles on low flame. Cooking time for each cooker will be different. After 4 whistles, switch off the flame and keep it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we can open the cooker. Our dal has cooked well. I have transferred dal from cooker to a large bottom pan. Now we can add the vegetables. Add 2 potatoes, 2 drumsticks, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 beetroot, 2 green chillies, 1 tomato, around 20 curry leaves. We can also add the masalas. Add 2.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon Asafoetida powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix all together. Close the lid and cook on high flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, change the flame to medium flame. Boil for 23 to 25 minutes to get all cooked well. After 25 minutes, we need to add tamarind water. I have taken small lemon-sized tamarind to mix it in semi-hot water. After filtering, I am adding it to this. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 2 ladies' finger pieces to it. Fry it for 2 minutes. Doing this will deslime the okras. Now take it out and add it into the sambar. Give a stir and combine. In the same oil, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutters. After that, reduce heat to low flame. And add 5 chopped garlic cloves, 3 red chillies cut into pieces. Add some curry leaves. Stir for 10 to 15 seconds. Cook until garlic changes color to light golden. Now add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon Asafoetida powder. Mix it well. Roast for 15 to 20 seconds. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Everything has done well. Now add this to the sambar. Mix it well. Serving after 30 minutes would be fine for better taste. This recipe is rich in nutrition. We can also add or avoid any vegetables based on our interest. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.